So hello, everybody, and welcome to another edition of Cooking Single with Kim. Now, I did a video recently on how to do a poached egg in a microwave, and it was kind of mixed. I got people that loved it, thought it was a great idea, and people that were like, the egg exploded in their microwave. So I want to talk a little bit about how to keep that from happening. As we talk about this right here, it's going to be a little longer video than the first one, because in this one I'm going to show you how to make a microwave omelet without having to dirty up a lot of pans like you see up here, or having to use your stove. So what I'm showing here is I have three different types of Pyrex bowls. I like using Pyrex because it's not plastic, number one. It's easier to keep clean. It doesn't get stained from cooking over and over and over like plastic does. And I find the heat transfer of it to be better. So for me, I'd rather use Pyrex. Now, for a single bowl, now I showed you guys with the, when I did the poached egg, I used this little one right here, filled it halfway with water. For a single egg, like a scrambled egg or a cheesy scramble, I use this one. But when I use an omelet, I'm going to use the larger one right here because of the fact I'm going to use 2 eggs and a lot of ingredients. Okay? So let's just start. First thing I do is I take some Pam and I spray the inside of it with some Pam. It does help it with sticking so that it comes out better, actually, more like an omelet. Okay? And then and the next thing I do is just take the eggs. I'm going to crack the eggs, drop them in. Let me just put the shells in that right there for right now. All right. And then what I've done is I went online to Amazon and I bought this. It was like 20 bucks, this little mixer right here. And this really fluffs them up quite a bit, like you get when you, if anybody have ever eaten at a Waffle House and you get them real fluffy omelets. This is how they do it, basically. They blend them together. So try to get some air in them. And just give us a second here to get this. Okay, so you get a nice mixture going there on it, like that. All right, that should be good. Put that over here. All right. And we're going to use this in just a second. All right, so now I'm just going to toss my ingredients in here. So I'm going to put some ham. Of course, what's an omelet without some cheese? Mix that around a little bit like that. Now I like to put a little garlic powder in mine, so I'm going to throw a little garlic powder in. You can add whatever you like, of course. And of course you can add mushrooms and green peppers. Just keep in mind that the more stuff you put in here, the longer that you're going to have to cook it in the microwave. So I'm just going to just put a couple of items in here. Now, with 2 eggs and all these other ingredients, these are going to have to go in my microwave, which is a 1200 watt microwave, for about 2 minutes. So we'll see how that works out. So what I'm going to do is, a couple more things real quick. Number one, I'm going to cover this with some paper towels. Now, if you don't have a cover for your to keep it from splashing inside the microwave, then you want to cover it with some paper towels. I bought one of these. It was only, I think, about $6 on Amazon. And you just put it over top of it when it's cooking. And any splatter comes up this way. And this stops the eggs from exploding. On the smaller ones, I usually just cover them with a paper towel. Okay, and it has the same purpose. So that's the top tip for cooking in a microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and throw this in the microwave now for 2 minutes. And we'll see how it looks. So there you go. That's 2 minutes. And so there's what the top of it looked like right there. You can see it didn't splatter at all. Probably because of the size of the bowl I was using. Now we'll take our omelet out. Go over here and show it to you. Look at that, right there. So, pretty well formed. And then it should just come right out. It's like my toast is ready. Non-stop since I started it. Go right there, look at that right there. And of course, being from Michigan, we like Frank's Red Hot. It's the hot sauce of choice. Okay, so right there is a Moonbucks. That's the name of my little cafe that I affectionately own. There you go right there. Nice looking omelet. Tastes great. So there you have it. 2-minute omelet in the microwave. Sorry about all the chewing noise. So, if you have any questions, comments, likes, subscribe to my channel, leave it all down in the comment section below. Thanks a lot. I'm going to get on with breakfast.